first question. The question is, can I meditate without being religious? Yes. Answer is yes. Finish now. Bye-bye. I want to explain more, yeah? I think that's so simple. The answer is so simple. Why? Because the basic meditation, you don't have to become any religious. For example, in Buddhism, we have a lot of meditation techniques. But basic things like calm abiding meditation and the loving kindness compassion meditation. In order to practice this, you don't have to become Buddhist, or you don't have to become any other religious. It's come from, the Buddhist meditations come from Buddhism, but you don't have to become Buddhist. Basic meditation. But that's good for you, your life, makes your life calm and kind, that's good. But if you want to go more deep, to realize, to really develop freedom of the emotion, the monkey mind, cut root of emotion, then you have to learn more wisdom, and you have to become Buddhist, whatever, step by step. But first, basics is not necessary. And the same as other religions also. I think so, but I'm not sure the detail about that. And because this basic meditation is it's like you go to the gym and having exercise, physical exercise. And in order to do that, you don't have to become special religious or something, not necessary, So meditation is like mental exercise. The basic meditation is a mental exercise, or brain fitness, to train your mind and make it calm and peaceful. Do I change my belief if I want to meditate? Not necessary. You can become Buddhist, of course you can meditate, you can become Christian, you can become any other religions, you can meditate, but you can try to, the meditation technique, try to relate it with your practice. For example, you are having faith to the God, and the meditation become causes to develop your faith, become stronger. Because what we call, there's a monkey mind, bala 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 yada yada yada, and too much monkey mind cannot develop faith, devotion, pray. If you pray to the higher being or whatever, enlightened being, you need concentration, yeah? But if you monkey mind, bala bala bala, what is tomorrow, and where should I go, what is the problem, and the less effect. So also, meditation, it helps to develop your belief also. Your mind become more clear, more concentrated, more stable.